This is Twinings Earl Grey Tea, 20 bags and the light tea strength. It's just 2 leaves. So right after you just open the package, you just smell this very good like citrus fruit. All right, this is the classic. This is the tea bag. You can see the color getting darker. But it's not like the regular black tea, it's so dark and still like a kind of like a beer. Also, you can smell the very strong bergamot flavor. It's like a lemon, but very sour. All right, let me try. The bergamot flavor is stronger than the tea itself. So the tea goes into your mouth. It's not like the first thing you feel is the bergamot or like a citrus fruit, like a little bit sour. I mean, the sourness is like fresh, like a lemon sour, and then you feel the tea. I think this is a good tea that when you're having your breakfast, and it can stimulate your taste and make you like feel very fresh. I like this tea, and it's not super strong. I think everybody can enjoy it, and they have a very distinct, a very special sour flavor, and like lemon plus tea. All right, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.